Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the new collaboration with the Dzees indoor security camera. You could also use this for a pet camera. There's no subscription. It's a 2K with a 360-degree Wi-Fi camera, wire dog pet camera with a phone app, either iOS or Android. It also comes with the Magic Pix night vision. You could call 2 ways audio, 24/7 recording, motion tracking, privacy, and this only works with the 2.4 gigahertz. And this one allows you to pan and tilt, and one touch call. If you press one touch call on the camera itself, it automatically call your cell phone. By the way, be sure to check out the link that's going to showing within the description. And if there's a coupon box, make sure you click on it before you check out. And I would like to give a shout out to Stefan from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and show you guys the security camera. So right here is the product descriptions. And this is the brand right here. Model number is CA49. And you will need to scan the QR code right here to download the app. And the product is made in China. Wow, this is a long cord. It's a type A to type C. And then they come with this mounting bracket and screws in case you want to mount this on the wall or the ceiling or somewhere it doesn't get knocked over. And this is the AC to type A adapter. So in this case, you go travel, you need to put this on it in your hotel. You could also do that as well. And here is the quick start guide. You could scan those QR code with the different languages. So yeah, you must remove this protective layer on the camera lens. And this is the reset switch. And right here is your trans flash memory card. So this one allows you to tilt. Right here is the speaker. And you got this rubber ring right here for an anti-slip. And this is the call button. And it also allows you to rotate. Right here is the plug for the Type-C. So it's like a 355-degree, but it doesn't allow you to rotate all the way, okay? So yeah, let's go and then plug it in and see how it goes. I'm going to use the one that I already have plugged in. So it automatically resets itself by rotating back and forth. So probably needs a inserted memory card. We're gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, I got this trans flash memory card. Going to insert.
SD card detected.
Alright, so I'm gonna open my QR code. And then scan the app. And then just click on the link. So it's called the DZ Home. And you can click on open, agree and continue. Get started now. So you need to sign up in an account, and it's going to send you a verification code to your email address. And now you're going to enter the password. Click on next, and then you can enter the username. So I detect the camera, and now you gotta configure the Wi-Fi at your home. And then you can set the camera like a front door, living room, garden, office, back door, garage. You can hit plus and name it whatever you want, or a pet. So this is view on the cloud storage. No thanks. Continue with the free plan. So that's a new firmware. You need to click on update. So yeah, we're gonna let it update and then come back. Now the blue light stays on, not flashing anymore. Alright, so after you finish updating, you could click on it for live view. And if you want to talk to the camera, you can press this. But you must choose while using the app, or only this time. Testing 1, 2, 3. And this is to tilt up and down, or pan left and right. And sound. Hello? Hello? This is audible alarm. And right here is the magic picks for night vision. And there's a more button right here. Motion tracking. You can track a person or a cat, pet, dog, or any pet. So I'm going to use my hand as a So yeah, trying to track my arm. So you could put the camera into sleep mode, and after that you can click on it to wake it up again. And this is to maximize it. And you can also touch here for the microphone and navigate tail and zoom. Speaker, snap a photo or a video. And press it to stop. And right here is the library. It will give you the calendar right here. You can choose the cloud or the SD card. And right here is your user setting. And you can select different kind of languages, all the different languages over here. And right here you can explore. More of their products. And right here is the setting. You could change the motion, detect on or off, and then sensitivity, either low, high, or medium. Let's click on medium. You could also turn on the motion tracking right here, and then sleep, schedule sleep, schedule setting. So if you put on schedule sleep, you could set the time and stuff like that. And right here is the alert setting. If you want to set the alarm or not. And this is the SD video. So one touch call is on. That means when I click on the camera, I can call directly to the phone. See, it's calling already. I can click on receive. Hello? Test. And then right here's the video setting. So if you put this on the ceiling like upside down like that, you could flip or rotate the image. So now it's like upside down. And right here is the auto night vision. Light sensitivity is on the medium. Again, you can set it low, medium, or high. And right here is the light setting. So if you don't want the light to display right here, you could turn it off. Now it's off. So right here's the volume setting, and then alarm volume. You can put on high. You could also share the device. So yeah, this is a great camera for your pets, or watching your kids, babies, or your grandparents in case they fall or something like that. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.